just came in today from the Purilator that I ordered. Guess what it is? It is the track. I'm going to leave it in the box until I get my other parts, and when I reassemble the skidoo, I'll unpack it. But there it is, brand new track, never been used. Of course, it's brand new. I bought it. Anyway, ciao to further news. Well, I did some tinkering with my suspension. As you can tell, I fixed the hole. That's cardboard. And I had to do some filing down because I didn't want to fit in. What I used was my JB Weld. This piece of cardboard, which lapped around it. I put the JB Weld in there, and I clamped with my 2 clamps and did it overnight. And today I decided to take it apart, and I did some filing, and it fits. So all I have to do now is put it back together, and that's it. And now all I have to do, like I ordered sprockets with that new track that I bought. Came in like a couple weeks ago. The 121, 1.5 inch, 2.5 track. So I'm going back to the original. And yesterday, in my other video, I showed you I put it back the original way it was. It used to be over here, I put that's back over here. I tear the whole thing, most of all apart, to switch these over back where it was. So it's back to original. And hopefully that will work. I'll get it back together, tightened, and wait for my sprocket to be put on the shaft. I have it to a guy I took my clutch, primary clutch over to get fixed. And apparently he's not open right now, but I've been trying to get another hold on another guy, but he's cutting this wood, and not too many people around here that has one of those. Well, they do, but in the process of getting this done, it's still all right outside, but I want to wait until I get my sprocket back together on the axles. The 2.52, I had to buy new ones because the old ones were not in very good shape. They're the same age as the old Polaris 1990, so I got some new ones, $35 a piece. And anyway, it's a pricey project, but once it's all done, it's going to be a nice machine, and that track should last me a long time, and that should work for a while. I'll probably just leave the cardboard there, or just file it down. I can't find my files. I had to use a round file. That one right in there, that short one. I think it's for a my set. I'm missing this one and that one. I don't know where they went. That one there might be outside somewhere in the shed, and that one there just disappeared. I just have to get some more files, I guess. Anyway. And another thing is, I came down with COVID again. My 3rd time, once this year in the spring last year, and tested myself this morning at 1:30, and I have it again. So I thought I'd do a little bit of work on this while I'm quarantining myself, because when you get it, you go outside, you pass it to other people. That's how I got it. I got it from work. So, make a long story short, I'm going to put this back together and show you the results after. Well, with a little persuasion, I got it back together. Had to loosen up these bolts to span out a bit. I got it back together. It's a little tight, but once I get it to slide back and forth, it will work good. She's nice and tight. Well, it ain't supposed to be tight, but it's supposed to slide a little bit. But once you tap it with the hammer in the back of here, get the track in, it's gonna work fine. Anyway, that's about it for this. So next time, when I get my sprockets, and we'll get back together.